Alright, this is the elevator at the Aegean. I believe this is like a restaurant or something in Tarpon Springs, Florida. I'm using my GoPro, and here's the elevator. Looks like we got an old General. Look at that indicator. Up or down. Here's a cab view. It's a General. Let's go to 2. It's vintage. And it has a digital indicator, but it's relay controlled. Here we are up on 2. GAL Jet Plus. Look at that going down. Interlock. 1. 88 phone. General Elevator Corp, Orlando. Certificate, it's still being inspected. It's a cab view. Hello, going up?
Yes.
What floor?
Do you know where the restaurant is?
I think, yeah, 2. General Oiltronic.
Thank you.
Welcome. Basement's locked. These buttons, yeah, these buttons right here are EPCO WS Haloline, but that's a GAL Jet Plus button. Again, here's the other side of the cab. It's a pretty nice elevator. It's definitely an older one. Pretty cool. Alright, let's go back up to 2. Let's get a view of this panel. And there's your emergency phone. And that's certificate. Yep, still inspected. Alright. Let's go to 2. It's relay controlled, but you can see it has a digital indicator. Alright. I'm alright, I guess. Ring it again. On 1, and we'll get off here. Alright. And there's your call station. You know what, I'm gonna send it up and see if you hear it. Watch it go. There it goes. And there it goes. And we may be able to see it open up there, can we? Whoa. Anyways, that's gonna be it.